wondering about that. I was mentioning that earlier.
Video inspection at Go Park, Chicago. From the back bathrooms, the second bathroom drain, remove the toilet and do the camera. So the water is running at the sink in the same bathroom. Here is it's the connection from the second bedroom or the first bedroom, the front bedroom. The drain is empty, the water is draining. Here is dropped down at almost 26 feet. I located where it is. I try to see if it is a clean out there, but look, it's covered with concrete. So here is going down. Here, going very hard. Was able to push it. The camera it's underwater. I try to put the camera with the star, but it's not go through. So I put without camera, without star, and the camera it's underwater. So I try to push forward. .8 feet, and I can push it more.
Are you gonna fix it today?
10 minutes, 20.
20 that'll be fixed?
So here at 57 feet, I'm not able to push it forward. The drain, the water is draining, but here is something and it's not go through. Pull it back. The water is still running at the sink.
Was it bathroom still closed?
Yes, it's still closed.
Dang!
You can see the water is running. This draining is not backing up, but the camera was not go through.